All right. Morning. PTO's a little cold. PTO's a little cold.
I thought so. It's down the rope. I got that other flag like,
air release. We're up here in Louisville, guys. We're running the Fort Knox location today. And I think this air release might be a little bound up. A little chilly. Yeah. So you don't want a free spool. So we got a snowstorm up here in Vine Grove. We didn't get one in West Kentucky, so I come up here to help them out. You've been having troubles with your air releases?
yeah, I had. Ever since I've had this truck, I got to
Yeah.
use the winch to get it to come out. And it's so slow sometimes.
Go ahead and grab your snatch block and chain and get ready. You do this here to help keep your cable wound up straight. Take this pin and line it up with this slot when you set it. And just make you a short loop right here out of your chain. And then go right there. Doing it that way, once this slides up and goes tight, keeps it perfectly straight. Go ahead and hook that up. Anything good?
Nothing good. Back here.
You got J-hook slots right here on the side of the frame rail.
Oh yeah, right by that.
You got the keys? Ready? Neutral? Just keep it cranked all the way. You want it all the way out in the road? All right, we'll take it all the way, because you got some ice right here too, so we'll take it all the way out. We'll just park it right here. Yeah. Yeah, just keep it cranked all the way for now. Let's see, what are we binding up on over here? Just hit that ice. We don't want to go over that. That's a big old block. See if it'll pull forward and to the right. But be careful, you still got the winch hooked up, so be nice and easy. All right. Hold up for a second. Yeah, see if you can get it pulled forward and all the way up to the right. Afraid of that. Now, let's do, where's your oil dry?
Driver's side front line.
Okay. Let's see if we can give this some fake traction.
Pull forward again.
Try to pull just straight forward. See if you can back up. Turn to your left a little. This stuff is like solid ice. Yeah. All right, hang on a sec. Back your truck up.
Back it up.
Yeah, we'll put your bed like right here. That way it pulls it kind of this way. We can get it up on this snow. Should be able to get it out. I was afraid of that. We'll just go single on that side. Get this rear end coming this way. Yeah, well, no, use that one. We'll just hook this to that chain so we don't run it over. There's a wood block. Wood block. Yeah. You ready? Hold your foot on the brake pedal. Now let off. All the way left. Straighten up. A little more. There you go. Brakes. Park. get some batteries in this.
Just put batteries in
Really?
it. Like, last Friday.
All right, I'll pull your truck forward to see if you can back this out. Oh, Steven's a short fella. Ugh. You got your photos? Okay. Snatch block and chainer right there. I'll put these back. Well, there she is, fellas. We're on to the next one. Ready to go? Cool. Hey, thank you. Hey, you be safe today. Yeah.